Hey guys! So in this video, I'm gonna spill some tea and let you know about all the side hustles that I've tried in the past that actually worked and I think are gonna be worth your time. So let's just jump straight into it. So number one may be a little bit shocking, but it was actually modeling. So I know some people find this side hustle embarrassing, some people are really proud of it. So pretty much when I was in my late teens, early 20s, I did quite a bit of modeling. So I was a commercial and print model. Not a lot of people realize, but you really don't have to be like tall and skinny, and honestly, like you don't even have to be that attractive to become a model because there's a market for everything. Just to give you guys an idea, I am about 5'4" or 165 centimeters if you're in the metric system. And I was always more of like an average build. I was never like a super skinny or like very petite type of girl. And that's why I did commercial and print modeling, which means that I was never like on a runway or in front of people. I was doing a lot of like photo shoots, mostly for like small boutiques where I would wear like clothes. I did some like skincare commercials, and I actually ended up on the cover of a magazine back in 2014 as well, which is kind of hilarious to me, but also I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty proud of that too, even though it looked pretty terrible. Most of those gigs also pay quite a bit of money for you to, you know, not even honestly do that much work. It is really fun. You get to meet a lot of creative people, photographers, stylists, makeup artists. That was really fun and paid a lot of my bills back when I was in college. Number two on our list is OnlyFans. Okay, I'm kidding guys, I don't do OnlyFans and I need you guys to stop asking me to do OnlyFans, okay, but I'm flattered, thanks. Anyways, next on my list is selling products online. I have an entire video that will be coming out on my channel about my e-commerce business, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. One tool I wish I knew about before I started my e-commerce store is E-Commerce Accelerator from SaleHoo. SaleHoo's E-Commerce Accelerator is your fast-track solution to building and growing a profitable online store. With step-by-step training, this tool can help you quickly identify winning products. From my experience, choosing the right products can have such a big impact on the success of your e-commerce business. SaleHoo will show you which e-commerce niches are the most profitable, as well as the 5 essential criteria for selecting a winning product in any niche. It will then connect you with trustworthy suppliers so you never get scammed. You will get access to a searchable database of 8,000 trusted suppliers that were already pre-vetted so you know who you can trust. It will also help you to defeat the competition before they start competing. They will show you how to build an uncopyable brand and crush the competition. And then most importantly, it will show you how to scale your store with ads and marketing, as well as how to create a custom experience that will keep them coming back for more. I'm really glad that SaleHoo decided to partner with me in this video. So if you're looking to start or scale your e-commerce business, I found an exclusive link that will give you a 7-day trial for just $1. So make sure to check it out down below. On to the next one, which is YouTube. So this one is pretty obvious because I have been on this platform for quite some time now. It definitely was not making any money for the first 2 years, then it started making a little bit of money. Right now it's actually fully paying for my mortgage and a lot of my bills, even though I don't have that many subscribers. But we all know YouTubers make money, not just through AdSense, but through things like sponsorships, affiliate marketing, brand deals, and things like that. This has definitely been one of my all-time favorite side hustles because you get to be creative, and a lot of this income is actually pretty passive. The next one on my list is affiliate marketing, which for me pretty heavily ties into YouTube, but YouTube is not the only platform that I utilize to generate affiliate marketing income. I generate a lot of the affiliate revenue through some of my other social media channels such as Instagram and Facebook, as well as LinkedIn. And then I also have a lot of affiliate links on my website and my Medium blog. Affiliate marketing is definitely one of those streams of income that did take me quite some time to actually start seeing any money from it at all. It used to only make me like maybe 30 bucks a month if I was lucky, but now it's definitely at the point where it's making me like hundreds, and on some months it even makes me over $1,000 in income. So it's just one of those things when it really takes off, it can be very passive, and on most months I literally don't even do anything and still generate money, so which is one of my favorite things. Oh, I forgot to mention Pinterest is actually another platform where I generate affiliate income, and if you're curious about my experience with Pinterest affiliate marketing, make sure to check out this video. I'll include it in one of these corners. Number 4 on my list is coaching. As you guys probably know, I am a career coach, so it's kind of like a whole separate part of my business. I've made a few videos about my coaching business in the past, but just a little bit of a background. So in my full-time career for the past 7 years, I've been a recruiter, primarily in the design and tech space. So my most recent job was a design recruiter for Alexa and devices for for Amazon. Because I had experience in an industry, I noticed a lot of people reaching out to me for advice on like interviewing, writing their resumes and things like that. I started my coaching practice back in 2021. My coaching practice has consistently generated me 5-figure income every single year while literally doing it part-time. So actually till this day, you know, it is my biggest side hustle income aside from my full-time job. Well, I guess I don't even have a full-time job anymore because I quit to do YouTube and coaching. So I guess you can still say this is my largest stream of income. Now, number 5 is selling online courses. I've also made quite a few videos about online courses in the past, but pretty much just to let you know, I did create a mini course also back in 2021 teaching people how to interview, and I started selling my course on different online marketplaces. Till this day, years later, still generates me money every single month. It is a great way to make passive income. I'm actually also working on a different course right now that is going to be a little bit more large scale, more in-depth, just better transformation. I'm actually going to be selling it to my audience and to my own email list, unlike my previous courses. I'm definitely excited about this one. If you are curious about it and want to learn more about it, make sure to let me in the comments down below, and make sure to hit that subscribe button because I'm going to be making videos about it very soon. Now, number 6 is surveys and task apps. I have a feeling that a lot of you have discovered me through those videos in the past. So I have been playing around with different surveys apps. It's definitely not a very high paying side hustle. It's really more so, you know, like a fun way to make extra money while doing something fun while you know, I'm waiting in line or waiting for my doctor's appointment, things like that. But I've previously tested platforms like Prime Opinion, Free Cash, 5 Surveys, and had a pretty positive experience. So if that's something that you want to get into, you can check out my previous videos, and I'll also include those links down below. Now, number 7 is Amazon FBA. Again, depending on the timing when you're watching this, I might have released my first video talking about how much money I made in my first month selling on Amazon FBA. I can definitely tell you this is the most expensive side hustle that I've ever tried because it did require quite a bit of time and monetary investment on the front end. This is my first full year doing this, and I have been making money from it. It's not as much as, you know, most people may think, but I am really looking to grow and scale this part of my business. So hopefully it will go well, but I can tell you it does work and I have made money with the side hustle. Number 8, which is selling things on Facebook Marketplace. Again, a lot of people can make money with it, and I'm not just talking about like selling your old stuff because you're not really making money because you already paid for that stuff. I don't think I've ever done this video about this in the past, but back when I lived in New York City and back when home plants, like house plants, especially during COVID, were very popular, I actually came up with this super random side hustle to where I bought this plant. It was a Monstera plant. I paid like $56 for it back in the day. This is kind of hilarious, but I do remember I started taking cuttings and propagating my plants. You know, I just wanted to create like more plants for my house because I didn't want to pay for more, but I didn't realize how much that plant would grow. And what I ended up doing is I started selling cuttings and or full-on plants on Facebook Marketplace, and I actually made pretty good profit. Like some people would pay sometimes like $30 for a cutting slash, you know, like a potted plant, or some people, yeah, would pay like $15 for a cutting or something like that. And eventually I just ended up starting this business selling plants, actually make people come to my apartment and like pick it up. So I wasn't spending any money on shipping at all. So it's pretty much pure profit. And that pretty much concludes my entire list of side hustles that I've tried and seen most success with. So obviously I've tried more side hustles in the past, but I would say these are the ones that I've seen most success with. And if you're curious about any of them, I probably made a video on most of those. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and check out more of my videos. If you like this one, I think you're gonna like this video as well. So make sure to check it out. And as always, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.